quick. What is the word, YouTube? It is your boy Gully. Yeah, so hope y'all like that little intro I did, but I did that intro because I literally, like, that's how my life has been. So if y'all been following the channel for a while, y'all know that I've been trying to build my own pretty much production company, doing filmmaking and photography and all that good shit. And so over the past year, I've been buying equipment and stuff like that, and yeah, it's just been rough. Like, you know, with the whole coronavirus thing going on, everything's pretty much either been back ordered or the ship times has been ridiculous. It's kind of frustrating because I obviously want to take all this free time that I have with being out of work to learn filmmaking and learn editing and all that good stuff. And so, you know, be trying to get this equipment as quick as possible is, you know, I mean, it's kind of important to me because I can utilize all this time to learn. Because when I'm working my regular job, I don't really have a whole lot of free time. I work a lot, and it's kind of hard to balance work, my personal life, and then, you know, this business venture that I'm going into. So, you know, I just don't really have a whole lot of time. So it's just, I want to make use of all this free time. One of the things that I needed to order was a external recorder, and yeah, so that's what that little intro was for that I did. But anyway, alright, so I ordered the little battery kit for the Atomos Ninja 5, which is the external recorder that we're using. Like, that's the two batteries, that's the charger there, and this is probably the power cable, I'm assuming. Yep, there's our adapters. That's all of our different international adapters for the charger. There's our actual power cable for the, yeah, that's for the actual charger. So that's that, pretty straightforward. Here's the batteries, which are pretty much Sony batteries. You guys can see that there. Get two of those in this kit. So that's that. Next up, we have, make sure it's the right way, the Atomos Ninja 5 recorder. So this is pretty much crucial to have if you're doing podcasts, if you're using a mirrorless camera or a DSLR, because they have like the 30-minute limits or whatever. So this pretty much solves that problem. Alright, so here's the actual recorder, which is the Atomos Ninja 5 here. You guys can see that on camera. See what's under here. We got a manual here. Under that, we have the charger for the dummy battery. We have more international chargers here. We have the caddy here for the SSD. So this is what houses the SSD hard drives, so that you can actually use it with the Atomos Ninja 5. then this is the adapter here for the little dummy battery. So if you don't run the little Sony batteries, I'm trying to record here, buddy. If you don't run the Sony batteries, you can just use this little dummy battery to power your Atomos Ninja 5. So we're gonna stick this back in here for now. In order to use the Atomos Ninja 5, you need an HDMI cable. This HDMI cable pretty much connects your camera to it. I went ahead and bought the little Atomos one, which is really expensive. I know a lot of people are using like Amazon HDMI cords and stuff like that, and from what I saw, like, they work, so I really don't have much against them, but I guess I kind of just want to be on the safe side for real. So that's that. You got the cable that connects the Atomos Ninja 5, the hard drive, to your computer. So when you're editing and shit like that, that's what this cable is for. And then the last thing, well, not the last thing, but I got a Western Digital hard drive is what I am using for the setup. They do make hard drives that fits perfectly flush to the back of the Atomos Ninja 5, but they are way more expensive, and to me it's not really worth spending the extra money just so you can have a cleaner look, so to speak. So I went with the Western Digital 1 terabyte SSD, which is fairly cheap. This is like $110 on sale right now for a whole terabyte. So that's that. And then the last thing I bought was the Rode Video Mic NTG, which I am using for the ESR. I'm hoping that this gets rid of some of the lens noise that I'm hearing from the autofocusing motors. And it's pretty much it. You don't have anything else, but you know, it costs to make money, and it is what it is. But if y'all want to see the final setup of the whole Atomos Ninja 5 and the microphone and all that good stuff, let me know and I'll make another video for it. But until then, I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.